In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid high selling fees on Coinbase. If you've ever sold crypto on the default Coinbase interface and felt like the fees ate into your profits, this walkthrough is for you. The goal is simple. Use the tools Coinbase provides to cut costs without adding unnecessary complexity. First, open Advanced Trade inside your Coinbase account. This is the trading view that replaced what many people knew as Coinbase Pro. It uses a fee structure designed for traders, and those fees are typically lower than the simple buy-sell view in the regular app. Don't be intimidated by the charts. What matters is that you can place orders with more control and better rates. Next, move your crypto from your basic Coinbase balance into Advanced Trade. Inside Advanced Trade, choose Deposit and select your Coinbase balance. This is an internal transfer that's free and usually instant. Avoid sending funds out to an external wallet for this step, because network fees would defeat the purpose of saving on selling costs. Quick note before we continue. I've put the official Coinbase website link and the app download links right at the top of the description, so you can open Advanced Trade directly from there while you follow along. When you're ready to sell, avoid market orders. Market orders fill immediately at the best available price, but they typically come with higher taker fees and can suffer from slippage in fast markets. Instead, use a limit order and set the exact price you want to sell at. If you place your limit order at or above the current price and it adds liquidity to the book, you'll often qualify for lower maker fees. Be patient. Even partial fills can reduce costs compared to an instant market sell. Try to batch your sales. Selling tiny amounts repeatedly can rack up minimum fees and higher effective percentages. Consolidating into fewer, larger transactions helps you land in better fee tiers and minimizes repeated charges. If you need to move in and out of multiple coins, consider converting to USDC first. USDC is a stablecoin that tracks the US dollar, and pairing into USDC can help you consolidate positions, then make a single sale to your local currency, instead of paying multiple sell fees across different assets. Always check the spread before converting. Finally, keep an eye on Coinbase discounts and promotions. Sometimes there are reduced fee campaigns or subscription options that lower costs, and the advanced trade fee schedule can change, so it pays to review it periodically. In short, advanced trade plus limit orders and fewer, larger sales usually unlock the biggest fee savings. Thanks for watching.